So we have arrived in Phuket now. We have just walked the streets, and what did we find? We found a lot of restaurants, all kinds of food, anything you could ask for. We stopped at this place that offers European and Thai food. Mostly we got Thai food here. It's called Zap Spicy. So let's see how good it is. Oh, we're happy with the daughter. She likes the French fries, so that's why we did some American French fries right here. Inside this ranch sauce that goes. Not very crisp, but they'll do fine as French fries. Along with that came fried chicken. So it's like chicken tenders and fries. So that is a nice breaded chicken. Breaded tender part of the chicken, that's pretty good. And with the sauce in it, it's a nice ranch sauce. So if you like chicken tenders with ranch, it's a fine dish for you to get. So you can please the whole family if not everybody wants Thai food. But we also got these fried shrimp. And with it comes the spicy sweet sauce that you often get in Thai restaurants. Let's see how good this fried shrimp is. Nice and crispy. Can't really taste the shrimp very much. That sauce has a nice little sweet plus spicy flavor to it. It's a good shrimp. I definitely think that was going. It was one of the cheaper dishes, like the 99 baht dishes. I don't know if you're unfamiliar with baht. Baht converts to about 35 baht to $1.36 or so. So about a $3 dish. Now we're trying the calamari. Calamari, another 99 baht dish, so about $3. So it was for an appetizer size. Nice crispy coating, very tender calamari. That's really good calamari. Inside the sauce, a nice sweet and spicy tang. It's a very good calamari. Ooh, I would definitely order those two dishes again, the shrimp and the calamari. Those are well worth the money. Let's try the napa cabbage. Probably in a garlicky sauce, I'm gonna guess. Yes, that is definitely a garlic sauce. You can really taste the sauce. You almost can't taste the cabbage because that sauce, that garlic sauce, is very strong. Not a bad flavor, it's just really strong. And lastly, something that we usually really like, steamed fish. Now this fish, it's a sea bass, a steamed sea bass. Yeah, it's definitely gonna taste the cilantro-ness in that sauce. A nice little freshness flavor, a little garlic. So it is good fish. It goes down nice and smooth, very tender, very juicy, and very well fish that you can eat. This is our first adventure in Phuket. Well, we'll see where we eat at next. Let's see where we go to next in Phuket.